Did you know that California has extensive protections for the LGBTQIA plus population? Uh, there are extensive protections under California law, particularly for housing, credit, public accommodations, labor, and or employment. Sections of remarriage cases established sexual orientation as a protected class under California law. In 1979, the California Supreme Court held in Gay Law Students Association versus Pacific Tel and Tel that public institutions cannot discriminate against homosexuals under California law. California Code did not expressly include a prohibition against discrimination by businesses based on sexual orientation until 2005. However, in 1984's Rowland versus Kolwitsky, that was hard to pronounce, California courts interpreted the law to prohibit such discrimination. In 1992, Governor Pete Wilson vetoed a law which would have guaranteed protections from discrimination on the basis of sexual orientation by private employers. But he reversed his decision and signed legislation which reformed existing California anti-discrimination status to cover sexual orientation in employment. In 2000, the California Fair Employment and Housing Act of 1959 was broadened to include employment, housing, and credit protections for gay men, lesbians, and bisexuals. The law was expanded to protect transgender people from unfair discrimination in 2003. In September 2005, Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger signed the Civil Rights Act of 2005, ensuring that state laws prohibiting discrimination in public accommodations include gender identity, sexual orientation, and marital status. California law clarifies protections against hate crimes based on sexual orientation and gender identity or expression. State laws provide penalty enhancements for a crime motivated by the victim's perceived or actual sexual orientation or gender identity. Despite all these protections, in October 2022, a judge sided with a California bakery on the basis of the First Amendment. The California bakery refused to make a wedding cake for a same-sex couple due to their Christian beliefs. Support for LGBTQIA rights and same-sex marriage have evolved significantly in the past decades in California. A Public Religion Research Institute poll shows that anti-discrimination laws covering sexual orientation and gender identity enjoyed wide popular support. 73% were in favor of such laws, while 20% were opposed. Similarly, 63% of Californians expressed opposition to religious-based refusals to serve LGBTQIA plus people, while 28% expressed support.